Good morning, students. This is our session 7 in the unit digital documentation, and today we are going to learn spelling and grammar and thesaurus in LibreOffice. So this is the document that I already typed. So Peter, what is spelling and grammar? Firstly, the spelling and grammar is something through which you can check the spellings you have written in your document. Sometimes we make mistakes while typing the document because we are human, and errors are generally happen with us. Okay, so just to check in that whether your document is written correctly or not, you can use one option, that is the spelling and grammar, which you can find it from here, this tools menu. Here you have the option spelling, and as well as you have one option thesaurus we will learn later. Firstly, what is spelling? Here, firstly, the shortcut key for spelling and grammar is the F7. Okay, so here, like if I press the F7 key, you can check that spelling dialog box now opened. Okay, so how can we use this? Firstly, this is the document that there is no error. Okay, there is no spelling mistake. Supposingly I made some mistakes, like I just deleted R and E. Just a minute. You can see that there is one red line below this books, because now its spelling is wrong. Okay, so I made you can see here I made some mistakes. Now I'm going to check these spellings. Okay, so just to do this, I just click this tools menu and go then this spelling option. Here you can see the very first error is ping. Okay, so in this dialog box it will show you some suggestions also. Maybe there is one word that you can replace it by it. Okay, if you find one word here that you can replace it, then you can replace from here. Supposingly my word is spying, so I can correct it. Once I correct it, you can see that here the word is now changed with spying. Otherwise, if you do not want to do this, okay, supposingly now this books, मान लो ये it is correct for you, so you can ignore once. Or if you want to just ignore all the errors right now, you can just ignore all. Okay, so in this case you can see that all the errors are now gone. There is one thing also, beta, if there is something like, if I write Anil is a good boy, Anil is a good boy. Okay, now as you can see, and Amit, as you can now see that here there is a red underline in Amit, because Amit is not a dictionary word. If you want that and you know that it's a correct word for you, so you can add it in the dictionary. How? Just go to this tools, then spelling, and just add this word to the dictionary, add to dictionary, and now whenever you will write this Amit word, it will never show an error. See, यहाँ पे उसने एरर शो करी, बट अमित जहाँ पे मैंने लिखा वहाँ पे उसने एरर शो नहीं की. Okay, so this is your spelling and grammar, and there is one or more option that is called the thesaurus. Thesaurus is something just to find the synonyms of the word. Okay, it's not like a dictionary, because in dictionary you can find the pronunciations, whether it is noun, adjective. In thesaurus you will find the similar meanings for the word. Supposingly this word report, okay, I just select this word report and go to this thesaurus option, and its shortcut is Ctrl plus F7. Here in this case you can see that the current word is your report, and it will show some similar words like study, written report, news, story, account, write up, and you can write another word here also. Supposingly if I write like mistake, fault, error, so these are the similar meanings related to this word. So this is all beta, this is all about spelling and grammar and thesaurus. Okay, so that is all for spelling grammar. Thank you.